Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 21 divide 3 divide 14 divide 2. So here is a here is a 1 divide, here is 1 divide and also here is a 1 divide. So all have equal priority. Therefore according to order of operation we have to solve it's from left to right. Okay. So 21 divide 3 is equal to 7 divide 14 divide 2. Okay. Now 7 divide 14 can be written as 7 by 14 divide 2. Okay. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change and F means flip. So keep this 7 by 14 as it is. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction. 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So 7 by 14 is equal to 1 by 7. So 1 by 7, 7 by 14 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So here also 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So the correct answer is 1 by 4. Okay. If you like this question, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.